Hello viewers, welcome to Digishala. Today we will talk about digital payments through Unified Payment Interface or UPI mode. UPI is a system which powers multiple bank accounts in a single mobile application. UPI users can directly make payment via mobile number, Aadhaar number or virtual payment address to multiple bank accounts of the beneficiary. The payments are made instantly and the services are available round the clock. Now, all of you must have heard about the BHIM app. The BHIM app is based on UPI. Today, we'll be talking about BHIM app and its use. The Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, launched this app on 30th December 2016. Recently, to promote the uses of the app, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has introduced two schemes. One is for the consumer and the another one is for the merchants. The consumer scheme is on the referral. So as a referral bonus, the existing user will get rupees 10 and the new user will get rupees 25 after successful completion of 3 transactions with minimum 2 unique users on the app. The new user needs to enter the mobile number in the referral code. The referrer can earn up to 25,000 rupees per month. Another scheme is on the merchants. It is the cashback scheme to the merchants. The merchants needs to receive minimum 50 credits or payments from at least 20 unique users to be eligible for this scheme. Upon the completion of 50 payments, the merchant will receive 100 rupees. He can earn up to 300 rupees in a month and 1800 rupees in a period of 6 months. So come, I'll show you how to use BHIM app and its features. So come, let's talk about BHIM app. So first we have to download the app from the Play Store, or if you have a iPhone, then you download from App Store. So here you type BHIM. You have to download BHIM Making India Cashless app because there are several apps. So install this app. This is a very small app. Will not take much space in your mobile. So as soon as you download the app, it will ask you for the language option. So you can choose your language accordingly. So we'll choose English. Now it says you can send money and receive money instantly. You can send money via QR code. You can send money via Aadhaar card. Now you have to give few access to this app. So first it will ask for your message sending access. And this app is asking for the permission for making calls from your phone. So you have to select, if you have dual SIM phone, you have to select your mobile number accordingly. The mobile number which is linked to your account. So for the security reason, the first app will send a notification and bind your phone with your mobile number, and you have to set the password for the app. So this is very simple interface. So there you can see options available: send, request, scan and pay. Then you have transactions. As soon as you register this app, this app will ask for your account number linked with your mobile number. So this app is already registered with SBI. Here you can change your UPI PIN. So for every account linked, you have to set UPI PIN, or you can reset UPI PIN. So let's try reset UPI PIN. So when you type reset UPI PIN, it will ask for the last 6 digits of the debit card number. So enter your last 6 digits of the debit card number. And expiry date, which is mentioned on your debit card. So in case of Maestro card, you have to select Maestro. So this is a Visa card. So it will give you OTP. And now, and this OTP option is auto read. Now you have to set your UPI PIN. And you have to again confirm the UPI PIN. So you have set your UPI PIN successfully. So this is how you will register your bank account with this app. Now, as soon as you register your bank account with this app, the next step is you set your profile right. So in this profile, your mobile number at UPI is mentioned. The app will take default mobile number as virtual payment address. Virtual payment address is basically your address which you can share it with your friends, where you want to make payments or receive funds from any party or friends or relatives. So there are two options. One is your mobile number at UPI, and second option you can choose on your wish. And then you can set as a primary VPA or virtual payment address. Now you go to settings in my profile. Once you make the virtual payment address, you can edit this only once. Now back to home screen. Now we'll perform few financial transactions through this app. Send money. You can send money via your mobile number. You can send money via Aadhaar number or virtual payment address to your friends or any beneficiary you want to make payments. With this app gives you an additional option of contacts. Select contacts. You can choose mobile number which are registered with BHIM App. You give access and you can make payment to your contacts. For example, if I want to make payment to Bharat, so you select this and you can make payment. We'll come back to this. Additionally, you can make payment via account number and IFSC. So you have to choose the beneficiary bank. And put the IFSC code and account number. So we will start with the first mobile number. Let's put one mobile number which is registered with BHIM App and verify. Before doing this transaction, you have to verify the beneficiary name. This is very important. So you have to verify this name, Bharat Nanavati, you want to make payment to. You put amount. And this is a test transaction. It will ask you for the UPI PIN. You authorize the transaction and transaction is successfully sent. So this app will give the instant credit to the beneficiary. It is available 24/7 and even it will work on the bank holidays. So now we'll do the financial transaction by Aadhaar number. So put the Aadhaar number of beneficiary. You have to verify the Aadhaar number. If you want to save this beneficiary for future use, you can save and authorize the transaction. So you can see payment is successfully made to the beneficiary. So now we will do financial transaction through account number and IFSC. You can see this option, account number and IFSC. Select this option. It will ask you for the bank, beneficiary bank. Please remember, you can make payment to only UPI registered banks. Now you have to press IFSC code of the bank and press beneficiary name, entire name, press account number of beneficiary, now confirm again. So you can see this, it is verified. Now you make the payment. Now please enter the amount and the remarks you want to put. If you want to save this beneficiary for future use, you can save it. And authorize the transaction by putting UPI PIN, 6-digit UPI PIN or 4-digit UPI PIN. So you can see the transaction has been sent to successfully. Now you want to check the transaction history, you can check in the transaction history the status of the transaction. The transaction is successfully sent to the beneficiary account. So we have performed all the type of transaction using send option. Now we'll try request. You can request money via BHIM app. Request can be sent to mobile number or virtual payment address. You have to enter the mobile number of the customer you want to request money from and verify. So you can see on my screen Bharat Nanavati and put the amount, the request amount, and you can set the validity of the transaction. And again you can put the remarks and request it. Your request is sent successfully. So when you see the transaction history, it will show the transaction. It is pending. When the beneficiary customer will authorize the transaction, then it will show the successful transaction. Now we'll go to beneficiary option. So all the virtual payment address you saved, Aadhaar number or account and IFSC as beneficiary. So now I'll explain you the scan and pay feature. So if you go to profile, so you can see this box. This is called QR code. This is static QR code of the customer. And when you come out and see this 3 dots, there is one more option, generate QR code. You can generate your own QR code by putting the amount. And put your remarks and generate. So as soon as you generate the QR code, you can share this QR code with your friends, or you can download this QR code and stick outside of your shop. Go to home screen. People will use their own BHIM app, will select the scan and pay option and the print QR code printed, they will scan through this option. As soon as they will scan this option, on their screen the amount and the remarks will come, and the customer will make the payment. So if you are a shopkeeper or a businessman, you can use this app. You can see this option, I am a merchant. Second option you have to press, and you have to register this with this app as a merchant. You have to put your company name or shop name. I am putting XYZ as my company name. Then merchant categories, what kind of business you are doing. So you have to select that. So I will select others. Then it will ask for merchant address. So ABC. And then the linked bank account where you want to make money or you want to receive funds from your customers. Then it will ask for the state. You have to select the states. And you have to put the PIN code numbers. And proceed. So it will ask you for the verifying detail. So once you verify all the details, or you can edit the detail also. As soon as you confirm, you will be added as a merchant. And now you can see, if you see the home screen, your profile will show as a merchant.